Ever wonder how this iconic drink is made? Welcome to the Mega Factory.
I'm Alex. Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes. Let's go. It starts here. This fleet brings in tons of raw materials daily.
Precision is key. Drivers move thousands of pounds with surgical accuracy.
This warehouse holds enough ingredients to keep us running for weeks.
First, we need water. It has to be filtered to absolute purity.
We strip everything out. This is the canvas for the flavor. These machines are the heart of the system, working around the clock.
Our engineers monitor quality in real time. Nothing gets past them.
Next up, the sweetener. It pours into the system like a waterfall.
It drops into giant tanks to create a clear, simple syrup base. From this catwalk, you can see the entire mixing process happening below.
Look at that color. This is the concentrated syrup base. Liquid gold.
Behind this door lies the secret recipe. Highly restricted access only.
Now for the secret essence. Precision is absolutely critical here. Water meets syrup. Watch as that famous dark color explodes.
Quality check time. We ensure the clarity is absolutely perfect.
The sugar levels must hit the exact target numbers. Every time. Welcome to the syrup room. This is the factory's circulatory system.
That giant tank holds the fizz. It's freezing cold inside.
Inside here, temperatures drop to lock in the carbonation.
Millions of bubbles are injected. That's the sparkle we all love.
It is freezing in here, but the bubbles love the cold.
Believe it or not, these tiny tubes become the bottles.
They race into the oven to get soft and pliable. High-pressure air blasts them into that classic contour shape.
Now they fly on an air conveyor. Speed is everything.
They travel at high speeds to keep up with filling.
Every bottle gets a high-pressure rinse before filling.
Behold the filler. It's a masterpiece of modern engineering.
Perfect fill levels every time. Not a drop is wasted. Watch the carbonation dance. It is mesmerizing to watch.
I could watch this spinning machine all day long.
The caps rain down like a red waterfall. Ready to seal.
Locked tight. That freshness is sealed in for good. Thousands of bottles marching out fresh and cold. Lasers check the fill level. Perfection is the only option.
If it's not perfect, this kicker rejects it immediately.
The labels unspool at lightning speeds. It's a red blur.
And labeled. It happens faster than you can blink.
Now they wear the brand. A continuous river of red.
I feel like a conductor. The factory is my orchestra.
From above, it looks like a complex superhighway. We stamp the date. Freshness is guaranteed. Robots grab 12 at a time. Gentle, but strong. Wrapped up tight and ready for the journey.
Heat shrinks the plastic for a secure, tight hold.
Solid pack. This one is ready for the store.
The palletizer builds the stack, layer by layer.
Suction cups do the heavy lifting without breaking glass.
Spin and wrap. That load isn't going anywhere.
Heavy loads require heavy lifting power. Off to the warehouse. This is the Canyon of Cola. It is breathtaking.
Safety first when moving this much product.
Every pallet is tracked. We know exactly where it goes.
Loading up. This truck is heading out tonight. Locked and loaded. The factoring's job is done.
On the road again. Heading to a store near you.
From pure water to the finished drink. What a transformation.
Grab an ice cold one. You know you want it. Nothing beats a cold Coke after a long shift.
Look at that fizz. That is pure refreshment.
Thanks for touring the factory with me. See you next time.
High-pressure systems are constantly monitored for safety. A sea of red caps waiting for their bottles. Logistics here are like a perfectly choreographed dance.
Miles of walking every day to keep things running.
Every curve of the bottle is engineered for strength. Heavy-duty gears drive the production line forward.
Chemistry tests ensure the formula is exactly right.
Broken bottles are recycled instantly. Nothing is wasted. It takes a great team to make this magic happen.
That script logo is recognized all over the world. High-speed cameras hunt for even the tiniest cracks.
This room is the electronic brain of the factory.
Always keeping an eye out. Safety never takes a break.
Just a tiny strip of glue holds the label tight.
We also run millions of cans through this facility.
Aluminum cans are sealed in a fraction of a second.
Maintenance crews are always working to keep us online.
Open the gates! Another shipment is ready to roll!
The contour bottle. A masterpiece of industrial design.
We recycle tons of plastic. Sustainability matters to us.
Even at sunset, the production never stops. We treat every drop of water before returning it.
From this tiny tube to full size. Amazing expansion.
Reloading labels on the fly. No stopping the line.
The caps dance their way into perfect alignment.
Through the glass, the factory looks like a liquid dream.
Our drivers are the final link in the chain.
Anytime, anywhere. That red glow is a beacon. Crack it open. Release the freshness.
Sparkling, cold, and delicious.
We are carrying on a century of tradition.
Speed, precision, and passion. That's our factory.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.